Do you sleep 8 hours but still wake up exhausted? This isn't normal, and it's not just in your head. Sleep isn't just about hours. Your body cycles through light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. Deep sleep repairs your body. REM sleep restores your brain. If these stages are disrupted, you wake up tired, no matter how long you sleep. Here are the real reasons. Poor sleep quality. Noise, light, or bad room temperature can block deep sleep. Sleep inertia. Waking up during deep sleep equals that heavy, groggy feeling. Irregular sleep schedule. Sleeping late on weekends confuses your body clock. Your body needs. Most people are ruining their sleep without knowing it. Using your phone at night. Blue light blocks melatonin. Eating late or unhealthy meals causes indigestion and restless sleep. Not drinking enough water leads to fatigue and headaches. Too much caffeine, even in the afternoon, it stays in your system for hours. Sometimes it's deeper. Sleep apnea, stress and anxiety, vitamin deficiencies, these silently destroy your sleep quality. If you want to wake up energized again, do this. Sleep at the same time daily. Turn off screens 1 hour before bed. Keep your room cool and dark. Manage stress before sleep. Support your body with the right nutrients. If you struggle with sleep, I personally recommend a natural sleep support supplement that helps. Improve deep sleep. Reduce night wake-ups. Boost morning energy. Check the link in my bio to get it now. Your body deserves real rest.